Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we bring you heavenly recipes straight from the heart of our kitchen to yours. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a mouth-watering dish that's sure to become a favorite in your home: garlic butter chicken bites. It's packed with flavor and incredibly easy to make. So, let's dive right in. To begin, grab a mixing bowl and let's assemble our marinade. Start by adding in olive oil, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, minced garlic, black pepper, onion powder, and thyme. Once all the ingredients are in, give it a good mix until everything is well combined, creating a fragrant and flavorful marinade. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Now, it's time to add our star ingredient, chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces. Carefully place the chicken into the marinade. Give it a stir, ensuring each piece is fully coated. Once coated, cover the bowl and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to allow all those wonderful flavors to infuse into the chicken. After the chicken has marinated, heat a large pan over medium heat and add a generous knob of butter. Once melted and sizzling, it's time to add our marinated chicken. Let the chicken cook undisturbed for about 7 minutes on one side, allowing it to develop a beautiful golden brown crust. After 7 minutes, flip the chicken over to cook the other side for an additional 7 minutes, ensuring it's cooked through and beautifully caramelized. And there you have it, our succulent garlic butter chicken is now ready to serve. This dish pairs perfectly with steamed rice, roasted vegetables, or a crisp green salad. It's simple, delicious, and guaranteed to impress your family and friends. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heavenly recipes here on Heaven's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!